OnePlus 12's global launch tipped to take place in India on January 23. OnePlus will unveil the OnePlus 12 in China on December 5, but the company is yet to announce the flagship's global launch date. The brand recently kicked off OnePlus 12's promo campaign in international markets, suggesting January 24 to be its global launch date. While we await an official confirmation on the OnePlus 12's international launch date, tipster Max Jamber has said the OnePlus 12 series will be unveiled globally on January 23 in India. The word "series" suggests that OnePlus will launch multiple smartphones. We know one is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 powered OnePlus 12 since OnePlus revealed its design, but the Chinese brand hasn't announced what other phones it will unveil. With the Chinese event less than a week away, there's little waiting to know all about the OnePlus 12 and other smartphones it will unveil.
Thanks for watching guys. Please don't forget to subscribe my कमेंट सेक्शन में आप हमें जरूर बताइए हमारी वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा। थैंक यू सो मच।